Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at CloseoutExplosion.com. I hope you're having an amazing day today. I have a closeout of men's suits, men's sports jackets, and men's dress pants. They're all by brand names. They're overstock from a major American department store. The original retail value of the lot is over $18,000. Your price is substantially below that. The lot consists of 11 men's brand name suits, 20 men's brand name jackets, and 10 men's brand name pants. So let me show you the suits first. We have 11 suits over here. Michael Kors, size 38-31, original retail price $600. Next we have another Michael Kors suit, 44 regular, 37 waist, original retail price $600. Our third suit in the lineup is a Michael Kors suit, 40 short, 33 waist, $600, original retail. Next, we have a navy Michael Kors suit, 40 short, 33 waist, original retail is $600. Next, we have another Michael Kors navy suit, 92% wool, 46 regular, 39 waist, original retail price $600. Next, another Michael Kors men's suit. This one is 44 regular, 37 waist, original retail price $600. Next, we have a Ralph Lauren Ultra Flex men's suit. Original retail price $600, 42 long, 36 waist. Next we have another Ralph Lauren men's suit, 42 long, 36 waist, original retail price $600. Next we have a really nice spring summer suit by Ralph Lauren. It's a slim fit suit. This one has an original retail price of $600. 46 long, 40 waist. Next we have a Mark New York men's suit, 43 regular, 36 waist. Next we have a men's suit by Talia, original retail is $600, 36 regular, 29 waist, 100% wool natural stretch, color blue. Now we're looking at the sports jackets. This is a Hart Schaffner Marks made in USA men's suit with an original retail price of $595. Next we have a Ralph Lauren men's sports jacket with an original retail value of $600, size 42 regular, color tan. It's a Michael Kors color black men's sports jacket. Next we have a men's Ralph Lauren sports jacket, 100% wool natural stretch. The next few sports jackets are by Hart Max Schaffer, color blue, color white. They have an original retail price of $595. Over here we have a Michael Kors men's sports jacket, original retail price $425, color gray. Next we have a Ralph Lauren men's sports jacket, this sports jacket is by Kenneth Cole. It says Reaction Kenneth Cole. This is a Bar 3 men's sports jacket, original retail price $275. We have a Michael Kors men's sports jacket, dark blue. Original retail price, $600. Then we have here men's pants that could match the men's sports jackets. These are men's dress pants, men's suit pants. You have by Bar 3. Louis Raphael Studios, Merino Wool. Ryan Seacrest. Tommy Hilfiger. And I have more pants in the boxes as well. If you'd like to place an order for this lot, please send me a message. You could call me, you could visit in person, you could send someone on your behalf. My WhatsApp cell phone number is 917-913-6093. That's 917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm looking forward to doing business with you. Have an amazing, amazing day.